Grow and earn with this. Here are 25 Faceless YouTube channel ideas for 2023, along with a brief description of each. Cooking without faces. This channel features cooking tutorials, but the host remains faceless, focusing solely on the delicious recipes and cooking techniques. Tech reviews and unboxings. A channel dedicated to reviewing and unboxing the latest gadgets, with a focus on providing in-depth insights without revealing the host's face. DIY home improvement. This channel offers step-by-step guides for various home improvement projects, maintaining a sense of anonymity for the creator. Voiceover storytelling. The creator narrates engaging stories, ranging from classic literature to original works, while remaining faceless. ASMR soundscapes. A channel focused on creating relaxing audio environments through ASMR, with no visual representation of the creator. Travel documentaries. The host takes viewers on virtual journeys around the world, sharing fascinating facts and experiences without revealing their face. Mysterious unsolved cases. This channel delves into unsolved mysteries, presenting cases with a faceless narrator providing commentary and analysis. Ambient music creation. The creator shares their process of making ambient music, from composition to production, without showing their face. Virtual reality gaming. A channel where the host explores and reviews VR games, providing an immersive experience without revealing their face. Historical reenactments. This channel brings history to life through reenactments and storytelling, maintaining an air of mystery about the host's identity. Instrumental music tutorials. The host teaches viewers how to play various musical instruments, focusing solely on the music itself. Language learning guides. This channel offers tutorials and tips for learning new languages, without revealing the host's face. Science experiments and demonstrations. The creator conducts engaging science experiments and demonstrations, emphasizing the educational aspect. Fitness and workout routines. A channel dedicated to providing fitness routines, focusing on exercise techniques and healthy living without showing the host's face. Art and drawing tutorials. The host shares their artistic skills and techniques, guiding viewers through various drawing and painting projects. Nature and wildlife documentaries. This channel provides high-quality wildlife footage, narrated by a faceless host, offering insights into the natural world. Mindfulness and meditation. The creator offers guided meditation sessions and mindfulness techniques, creating a serene atmosphere without revealing their face. Book summaries and reviews. A channel that provides summaries and reviews of various books across genres, focusing solely on the content. Cryptocurrency and finance insights. This channel offers valuable insights into the world of cryptocurrencies and finance, with the host remaining faceless. DIY crafts and hobbies. The host shares creative crafting ideas and projects, with a focus on the craft itself rather than personal identity. Paranormal investigations. This channel explores paranormal phenomena, sharing investigations and eerie encounters with a faceless narrator. Car customization and repairs. A channel dedicated to customizing and repairing cars, with a focus on the technical aspects rather than personal appearance. Productivity and time management tips. The creator offers practical advice on improving productivity and time management skills without revealing their face. Space and astronomy education. This channel provides educational content about space and astronomy, with a faceless host narrating the universe's wonders. Gardening and plant care. The host shares tips and tricks for gardening and plant care, keeping the focus on the greenery rather than personal identity. Remember, the key to a successful faceless YouTube channel lies in delivering high-quality content and maintaining a consistent and engaging style that keeps viewers coming back for more. Support my channel. Thanks for watching.